Hello and welcome to this upload. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a tour around the Haven Littlesea site. So this is going to be a drive around in the car to give you a good look at the area. I have also got another upload which will show you the site as I walk around to check it out. So also please go over and check out that upload. So we're coming into the area of the gatehouse, and this year, as I do believe he's been here a while, is a guy called Les. And they wave me through. Okay, so we're going to basically go straight ahead down towards the main entrance. So on the left we have Wey Valley, and on the right we have Greenlands leading round to the Meadows. So straight ahead of us is the main entrance reception area, arcades, swimming pool and all that. So we are going to make a left turn down here through Wey Valley. Now I do believe that a lot of the disability caravans, people with ramps, we're pleased to know that most of them seem to be down in this area. Which makes it obviously very close to the main facilities. Okay, so we're now going to head up to the top of Wey Valley. And there's footsteps there to the left, painted in yellow, and that will take you up to the nature walk and the Chickerell View and Woodlands area. So we're going to have a drive along the back here. So these on the right are Wessex Bank. And then what we'll do is we'll take a left turn and go up to Chickerell View. This is the Wessex side now, is it? Wessex. It's for sale, that one. Yep. So there's a lot of standing water on the floor. We've had a lot of rain. And this was at the time of the storm Kieran. Can you? Yes. So as you can see, we're now making a turn round through Chickerell View. I'm going to drive right to the end, and then we're going to turn in basically a circle and come back along the side of Woodlands.
Let's go there. No. Nope. Up to the end.
Open cleans right for the people. I think we can run these.
Oh, I'm not decking.
These ones are.
So this area is the Woodlands on the left. These are absolute stunning mobile homes. The position of these mobile homes is, well, it's second to none, guys. So if you're renting a mobile home here, you're just going to get the most amazing views of the site. So yeah, would love to have rented one of those. So that was a little gap there in the middle of Woodlands. So all the way along to the end where the big car park is here. And now we're going to take a right turn and go down the hill to the mini roundabout. So all the way down to the bottom. Right, so we're at the roundabout now. I don't go into Ocean View. It's a very private area. It's gated, so not going to drive into there. You've got a lovely little dog walking area to the left and playing field. Okay, so we're going up West Acres. So I'll take you as far up as I can go, but I can't go all the way up to the top because that's where the touring area is. But like I mentioned before, you can watch my walk around video, and I do actually go up to the touring area and walk around it. So this section here is Lagoon Close. So we're going to drive up to the top, and I'm going to spin around and drive back down. Again, it's another, I think it's a quite private area. Okay, so now we are heading back down. So West Acres is on the right, but West Acres is also on the left. So I'm going to make a turn now and go up West Acres. I was debating whether I should head up that way, but decided in the end that I should. So I guess some of the rentals will be up here. As you can see, I've come at a time when hardly anyone is on the site. So it's a very good opportunity for me to drive around. Obviously I can't drive up every single street, but I do drive around a good section of it. So a quick left turn, then a quick right. Oh no, not a right turn, apologies. We're going all the way down to Lagoon Close again. Again, another private area. And here I'll just spin the car around. That one on the left hand side there is actually for sale. Beautiful if you're looking for one up here. This is another really nice area. Okay. So back down we go. And I do think here I'm going to make a left turn because of the car. So it's we're still in West Acres, by the way. So I'm going to come along here and basically just do a little circle again, and then come back out, and we will then head down to the main facilities area again. So as you can see, the site itself is quite compact. There's a lot of water around, as I've already mentioned, due to the fact that it was just constantly raining in October. And this was filmed at the kind of like the very end of October when we had big rolling storm that came in. So the weather wasn't actually brilliant. This was probably one of the best days we had in 9 days of being there. We just had a really bad week with weather, unfortunately. There's one of the cleaners there on the right. So now we're heading down to the bottom of the hill, and this is basically where the shop is. So there's your little shop. Fairly reasonable prices in the shop, actually. We were quite surprised with some of the prices. And trust me, I've experienced a lot worse. So you got Papa John's on the right there. Papa John's is quite expensive compared to Papa John's out of the holiday park, but that's what you expect. And there's also a chip shop there. We never went to either. So we're coming up the hill. We're going to make a left turn now. And now we're up onto Greenlands, which will then come into the Meadows. And as you can see, I hope you have enjoyed this today. If it's helped you in any way, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and please consider a super thanks as a way of saying, thank you and supporting my channel. That would be absolutely amazing. But obviously I don't expect anyone to use super thanks. So a thumbs up works just as well. Okay, so new little section here, the tarmac. So a lot of these, I do believe might be Haven rentals around this area. We certainly had a bronze caravan in this area. We've seen good and bad reports about it. Personally, we had no problems at all. All our neighbours were fantastic. So taking a right turn, and we're basically round the back of the Meadows now. At number 95, 93, 91, 89, 87 on the right. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Do appreciate you taking the time if you've made it all the way to the end. And please, like I said, check out my other uploads of the site and of things we got up to in the area. There might be a couple of things that you decide to do yourself. Thank you very much and take care. Goodbye.